Happy St. Patrick's Day!
We're going to show you how to make 4 of our favorite St. Patrick's Day drinks, and then play a little drinking game trivia. Grab your drinks and come with us. Now that the drinks are done, our drink cam is rolling, it's time for some trivia.
So we're going to play trivia based off one of our favorite Leprechaun movies. Mine is Leprechaun.
Mine's Darby O'Gill and the Little People.
And so in the spirit of incorporating his favorite film with mine, he's going to have to answer trivia in Sean Connery's voice. Sound good?
Sounds lovely, dear.
Perfect. So each answer you get wrong, you'll have to drink one of these 4 drinks.
And if I get them correct,
Then I'll have to drink them.
good.
We're going to start with 7 multiple choice questions and do 1 bonus round. Ready?
By all means, love.
Fantastic. What year was Leprechaun released? 1993, 1990, 1986, or 1985?
I believe it was 1993.
That is correct. Didn't think I'll have to be drinking this early on.
What do you have?
Okay, so I'll start with something small. I'll have this shooter.
Or Irish flag shooter. Cheers.
Cheers.
Lovely.
That was really good. It's actually my first one. Next question. How many years was a leprechaun imprisoned in a crate? 1 year, 10 years, 100 years, or less than a year?
I say 100 years.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 10.
Yes.
Pick your poison.
I will have the shooter as well. Cheers.
Yummy.
Got a collection going.
Next question. What is the body count for the film? No one dies. 2 people die. 4 people die. Or everyone dies.
You didn't say 69 people die.
That is not the correct answer. That is why. The correct answer is 4 bodies.
Looks like I'll be having another drink.
That is correct.
All right. Well, I will have a car bomb. These get a little messy.
It's professional.
And here we go.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up. Cheers. Oh, don't make a mess.
He's a very fast drinker. I don't know how he does it.
Oh,
Yummy.
yeah, I'll put that over there.
Next.
We should check that drink
question.
cam again.
How was Lucky Charms mentioned in the film? Where's my Lucky Charms? Got to have my Lucky Charms. Not mentioned at all. Or fuck you, Lucky Charms.
I like fuck you, Lucky Charms.
That is actually the correct answer.
Yes.
So, I will follow your lead and I will do my car bomb.
Ooh.
And hopefully not spill it all over the place. So,
Cheers.
I hope someone at home is doing this with me.
Cheers. They're so delicious, like chocolate milk. Oh, hot girl. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk, for sure.
Fantastic. Next question. Game's still going.
These are hard.
Yeah. What is the leprechaun's real name? We don't know. He doesn't have one. Lupton, or Rumpelstiltskin?
I will say Rumpelstiltskin.
That is incorrect. His real name is Lupton. Therefore, sir, you must drink.
Oh, well. Time for a green beer. Happy St. Patrick's Day, huh?
Cheers. I could never beat that.
Got a little collection of glasses going over here.
Fantastic. Next question.
I'm running out of drinks over here. Check the drink cam.
Whose feature film debut was it? Warwick Davis as Leprechaun, Jennifer Aniston as Tori, Shay Duffin as O'Grady, or Mark Holton as Ozzy?
I don't know who the other people are, but I would guess Jennifer Aniston.
That is correct.
Yes.
Okay. I will
Your turn, dear.
try to down my beer as fast as I can, which won't be very fast, but here we go.
This is wonderful. I'm having a great time. Well done. Well done.
Okay. Ready, Sean Connery?
Oh yes, dear. Let's keep going. How amount of drinks I've got to put left.
Next question. Who received a special thanks credit in the film and a bonus if you can answer why? General Mills, Mark Jones, George Lucas, or Tony Cox?
Well, now you're talking Star Wars, dear. I love Star Wars. It'd be George Lucas.
But can you answer why?
Because Warwick Davis was under contract.
That is correct. Well then. I have one drink left. I will have a drink of my Irish coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. So delicious.
That's creamy. And bonus round. For everyone playing along.
Hope you're playing along.
How many gold coins were stolen from the Leprechaun?
Just one gold coin.
Looks like your luck has run out, and now you'll have to drink your Irish coffee with me.
All right. Well, cheers. Irish coffees are delicious.
Well, thanks for playing along.
Thanks for playing, guys. We're going to go enjoy these coffees. You have a happy St. Patrick's Day and safe and celebrate, and thanks for tuning in.
And we're drunk, so.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I make pretty good drinks, huh?
Hey, actually, these are even better than the ones I
You're
had.
drunk?
I am. I'm super wasted. Keto.
Oh,
It's the keto life. Now when I drink...
this is such a lovely time, dear.
I
Thank you so
I
much.
used to be able to drink you under the table, and now I have one drink and I'm done. So
I'm going to finish this.
this is really good.
Drink cam is just going to have no one left. to...
Grogu's there.
Let's finish the drink.
Holy shit, I have not been this drunk in a very, very long time.
Thank you, guys. Be safe. Enjoy.